Is the non-compliance of your company's contractors giving you a fever? Relax, we have the prescription. 4 simple steps for 100% contractor compliance and 200% industrial harmony. 2019 was amazing for creating online contractor compliance modules for our clients. And we've accomplished a lot in terms of creating a mindset of compliance in contractors pan-India through relentless contractor training and monthly online contractor audits. This is a preview of our robust online contractor compliance portal in which monthly contractor documents are uploaded and audited. This is a preview of the online contractor risk classification dashboard. But 2020 can be even better. There are still gaps in what contractors do. Contractor payroll processing errors, errors in maintenance of workmen registers, errors in timely and accurate payments, errors in maintenance of contract labor register. 100% contractor compliance goals for 2020. Goal 1. Manage contractor payroll and contract labor compliance. Generate contractor payroll, generate contract labor registers, validate payroll, PF, ESI and contract labor compliance with time office inputs. Goal 2. Online contractor compliance. Upload contractor records on online compliance portal. Generate contractor-wise compliance certificates. Upload compliance certificates in contractor billing module. Goal 3. Support contractors with advisory services, minimum wage updates, labor law updates, advice on inspection handling. Goal 4. Monthly MIS and compliance dashboard, client view monthly dashboard, contractor view monthly dashboard. This is a preview of the online contractor compliance certificate submitted to finance. This is a preview of the MIS dashboard for management. Benefits for contractors: timely and accurate payroll processing, timely and accurate PF, ESI, PTax processing, expert advice and inspection support, error-free registers and returns, cloud storage of compliance records. Benefits for principal employer: ready for labor inspections, ready for audits, industrial harmony. If you have the will, we have the way. Let's make 2020 a challenge to beat for contractor compliance. So what are you waiting for? Contact Sequel today for all your contractor compliance needs. Our contact details have been provided in the description box below.